the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the iPhone XR for AT&T Prepaid. So the iPhone XR has been available for a while now at AT&T Prepaid. It's available for $749.99, and it's available in 3 colors here. It's available in black, white, and red. That's what the black one looks like. That's what it looks like in whitish there, white color, and you have product right there. So black, white, and red. Alright. So let's check out the iPhone XR. So that's the front right there. You guys got the front there. You guys got the notch there for the camera and earpiece, power button, volume button on left side along with your switch there to turn vibration and sound and whatnot. You guys have power button and camera just together a little bit there. Back of the iPhone XR, you guys have camera and motion sensor microphone, camera flash, Apple logo, and iPhone logo right there. There's a front, back, and side there. Key features of the iPhone XR has a 6.1-inch Signal liquid retina display, all-screen LCD multi-touch display with IPS technology, splash water and dust resistance, rated IP67 under IEC standards, 12-megapixel rear camera, 7-pixel front-facing camera, portrait mode, portrait lighting, depth control, and smart HDR, Face ID to unlock, Face ID for unlock and Apple Pay, enabled by true depth camera for facial recognition. And you guys know what the specs are on the iPhone XR. It is 5.94 inches height, 2.98 inches width, and 0.33 inches depth. The iPhone XR weighs 6.84 ounces. The display is liquid Retina HD display. The iPhone XR display has rounded corners that follow a beautiful curved design, and these corners are within a standard rectangle and measured as a standard rectangle shape. The screen is 6.36 inches diagonal. Actually, the area is less. Display size 6.1 inches. LCD multi-touch display with IPS. That is 1792 by 828 pixels. That's 326 ppi. Splash water dust resistance. Rated IP67 under IEC standards. That's up to 1 meter for 30 minutes at a time. Welcome details. You got true tone display, wide color display, 3D touch, fingerprint. This is some. I'm not going to try to pronounce the O word. It has some coding, support for display of multiple languages and characters simultaneously. Camera, 12-megapixel wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, and quad LED true tone flash with sync. It has f1.8 aperture, digital zoom up to 5 times. It has portrait mode with advanced bokeh and depth control, portrait lighting with 3D effects, 6-element lens portrait, sapphire crystal lens cover, backside illumination sensor, hybrid IR filter, autofocus with focus pixels, tap to focus with focus pixels, smart HDR for photos, live color capture for photos, and live photos, local tone mapping, advanced red eye correction, exposure control, audio image stabilization, burst mode, timer mode, photo geotag, and image formats, capture, and all that. It has 4K videos at 24 frames per second, 30 frames or 60 frames, 1080p video at 30 or 60 frames, 720p video at 30 frames per second. It has straight-time digital zoom there. It has extended dynamic range for videos up to 30 frames, optical image stabilization for video quad LED 2-turn flash, slow mo video support for 1080 at 120 or 240 frames per second, time-lapse video stabilization, cinematic video stabilization, 1080 and 720p, continuous autofocus video, take 8 megapixel still photos while recording 4K video, playback zoom, video geotagging, video formats recorded, and all that. It has stereo recording as well. It has 8.26 full and all that shit. True depth camera. This is a 7 megapixel front-facing camera with portrait mode with advanced bokeh and depth control, portrait lighting with 5 effects. f2.2 aperture lens, 1080p video recording at 30 frames to 60 frames per second, smart HDR for photos, and extended dynamic range for videos at 30 frames per second, cinematic video stabilization, 1080 or 720p, wide color capture for photos and live photos, retina flash, backside illumination sensor, auto image stabilization, burst mode, exposure control, timer mode. It has a built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery, charging via USB to computer, talk time 25 hours, wireless audio playback 65 hours, wireless video playback is 16 hours, internet use 15 hours, wireless charging capable with Q chargers, fast charging up to 3% in 30 minutes. It has an A12 Bionic chip, next generation neutral engine, 64 gigabytes of storage, iOS 12 of course, Face ID enabled by True Depth camera for facial recognition, Apple Pay of course, pay with your iPhone using Face ID and storage within apps and on the web, send and receive money and messages, complete purchases made with Apple Pay on your Mac. It of course has say of course, use your voice to send messages, set reminders and more, get intelligent suggestions on the auction and in messages, mail, QuickTime and more. Activate with only your voice using Hey Siri. Use your voice to run shortcuts from your favorite apps. So it has 5G evolution capable, so that's pretty interesting there. So this thing will be, so it has 5G evolution capable, but it's 4G LTE, so yeah. So it has all those bands there. Don't ask me what FDD and TD stands for, but it has all those bands there. It has quad band for world phone, voice over LTE, Wi-Fi calling, voice video calling. It has FaceTime of course, Wi-Fi connectivity, 802.11 AC, Wi-Fi, NFC, Bluetooth 5.0, wireless emergency alerts, some type is dual SIM, nano SIM, and eSIM. You guys can use a nano SIM card or an eSIM, which is interesting. Built-in apps from the iPhone 10R, it's got camera, photos, help, messages, phone, FaceTime, mail, music, wallet, Safari, Maps, Siri, Calendar, iTunes Store, App Store, Notes, News, Contacts, Books, Home, Weather, Reminders, Clock, TV, Stocks, Calendar, Calculator, Voice Memo, Compass, Podcast, Watch, Tips, Find My iPhone, Find My Phone, Settings, Dials and Measure. Free apps from Apple. It has got iMovie, Pages, Numbers, Keynote, iTunes U, GarageBand, Apple Store, Trailers, Apple TV Remote, iTunes Remote, Music, Memos, Clips and shortcuts in your default iPhone 10R browser and Safari of course. Sensors, you have Face ID, barometer, 3-axis gyro, proximity, ambient light. It has messages. His music player, which is iTunes of course. It has Apple Music and all that. So there it is. That's the iPhone 10R available at AT&T PREPAID for $749.99. This is a 64 gig version, so if you guys enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will smile a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.